Hey folks, it's George Willingham here. I just wanted to take a moment to tell you about this great life coaching program I've discovered online. It's called the Fast Track Life Coaching Certification Program. Now, it's by a guy named Steve Jones. You may have heard of him. He's a professional life coach. Now, Steve has created this really terrific program, and it taught me how to offer my own coaching services to other people and to earn a pretty good living doing this. I was really shocked that people were anxious to have me coach them through some of their issues and situations. I found that my own background as an IT engineer really had even helped me to be able to help others. Now, Steve showed me how I could use the things that I'd learned in my previous career to help other people, in my coaching with them. Now, he really put together a great program. It lasts about 8 weeks, and it taught me everything I need to know about being a life coach. Right now, I'm making a pretty solid income from helping other people. The program came with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so I felt fairly confident about joining. And really now I look back on that and I kind of laugh because I have never thought once about asking for my money back. I mean, the program is just that good. Anyway, I recommend that if you take a look at the Fast Track Life Coaching certification program, it's a great deal. It's only $77. It's really worth about, who knows, $600-700. I've seen them elsewhere for that. And I can tell you that that is the $77 is really nothing for what you're going to gain from this program. Anyway, if you want more information, check out and they can help you there. Thanks.